Today, we're diving into a small but powerful component, the potentiometer. You've seen them in volume knobs, dimmer switches, and game controllers. But how do they work? And how can we use them? By the end of this lesson, you'll understand how potentiometers function, how they act as voltage dividers, how to use them to control things like LEDs, sensors, and more. A potentiometer, or pot for short, is a variable resistor. You can adjust it by turning a knob or sliding a control. Inside the potentiometer is a resistive track, which can be made of carbon or is wire wound, and it spans between the two terminals. A wiper moves along the track, dividing the resistance. The wiper's position controls how much resistance is on each side. Think of it like a faucet. Turning the handle controls water flow, just like a pot controls electrical flow. In circuit schematics, a potentiometer is shown as a resistor with an arrow pointing to the middle. The potentiometer has three terminals. Terminal A, which is one end of the resistive track, terminal B on the other end, and terminal C is the wiper, the middle terminal. The most common way to use a potentiometer is as a voltage divider, and this uses all three terminals. The 0% annotation on the circuit shows the wiper's position. Imagine we have a 10 kiloohm potentiometer. That means the total resistance between terminal A and B is 10,000 ohms. When the wiper is at the 0% position, it's closest to the top or leftmost terminal that receives power. At this point, it's at the very start of the resistive track, so the output through terminal C passes through almost no resistance. So we expect to get essentially 100% of the input voltage out of terminal C. If the annotation said 25%, the wiper would be passing through 25% of the resistive track, so about 2,500 ohms in, and that leaves 7,500 ohms on the other side, which means terminal C gives us about 75% of the total input voltage. You can think of a potentiometer as two resistors in series, with the wiper tapping into the middle to provide an adjustable output voltage. Say you have a 6-volt battery connected to a potentiometer. The closer the wiper is to the 6-volt connection, the higher voltage coming from the wiper. A potentiometer can also work as a variable resistor. Here, you only use two terminals. For example, if you connect to terminals A and C of a 10 kiloohm potentiometer, turning the knob changes the resistance. At a 25% position, it behaves like a 2.5 kiloohm resistor. At a 60% position, it behaves like a 6 kiloohm resistor. One important thing to remember is the closer the wiper is to one end of the terminals, the smaller the resistance on that side. Cool, so let's wrap things up. A potentiometer is a variable resistor with three terminals. It divides voltage using a moving wiper. It's used in analog input, LED dimming, sensors, and more. It's represented in schematics as a resistor with an arrow pointing to it. Up next, we'll explore how to build more circuits using potentiometers. See you in our next lab. If you like what you've seen so far, you should visit our website and check out our electronics and coding kit. It comes with all the videos, all the lessons, all the code, all the labs, and all the project files. So yeah, link in the description and happy learning.